Hello guys, name is Bono Chama and welcome back to my channel where I review tools, software and products. It's gonna help you guys make money online. So today I'm gonna be reviewing this new software, this new tool called Shortify, which is launching on July 11th at 11:59 p.m. So, in a nutshell, what Shopify is, it's basically a software that's gonna use viral loopholes to siphon free traffic on YouTube. So I'm pretty sure you guys are aware of this app called TikTok, which has gotten pretty big a couple of years. Basically, what TikTok is has like short videos that go viral just like that. So basically, what's going on? YouTube is trying to compete with TikTok, and they're starting off by making short videos for create or on the platform as well. So I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. So these are the videos that I'm talking about. Just short videos that go for like 1 minute, and basically YouTube is going to be pushing these short videos because they're trying to compete with TikTok, so they're going to be pushing like these short videos on their platform as well. Just these really short trendy videos on their platform. So yeah, these are the videos that I'm talking about. Just short, quick videos. And look at this. I'll show you like some of the traffic some of these videos are getting. See this video here? It was posted 18 hours ago, and look how many views it is getting at the moment. At the moment, it's on 250k views, which is a lot if you ask me. So moving on to what Shortify is all about. So Shortify is an over-the-shoulder tutorial showing YouTubers making an obscene amount of money using the latest trend. There are videos that go viral because YouTube is competing with TikTok for the short video space. Shortify also comes with a leading edge software that will enable customers to create stunning short videos from which they can earn straight away. So right now, just going to talk about a bit of the prices. So the upfront cost for Shopify starts off at $14.96. When you pay that money, what you're going to get is a powerful Shopify software and training modules. So basically, once you pay the money, you're also going to get a training module. So they're going to show you how to use the software and how to effectively make those videos so you can get as much traffic as you can. And if you are interested in buying some of the upsells, these are all the upsells, and this is what they come with the upsells. So these are just some of the upsells that you can go through if you are interested in upgrading your software. So it's like a whole of software that comes with a whole bunch of new stuff. So some of the key benefits for purchasing Shortify is you'll be piggybacking on the hottest trend, which is short videos. 100% free traffic, runs on autopilot, siphons free traffic from YouTube, which is one of the biggest video streaming website on earth. It's a pretty they're pretty easy to set up. It's a 3-click setup, brand new method. It's pretty newbie friendly as well. I've already been through the website. It's easy to navigate through the website. Has massive potential because it's a new trend, so it's only gonna go up by now. So start earning money as soon as today. So if you're not happy with the purchase, they're also guaranteeing a 100% money back guarantee. So if you're not happy with the purchase, you can always get your money back. So right now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go through some of the bonuses I have for you guys. So Shortify, it's a good software, but these bonuses are just gonna enhance um, this software. So my custom bonus number one, it's online entrepreneur. So what this is basically a course by Mr. Jono Armstrong, which is he's one of the biggest affiliate. So what this is, it's basically a course teaching guys how to make money on ClickBank, on Warrior Plus, and JVZoo. So he's gonna run through how you can set up your online store and how you can make money from your laptop. So scrolling down to my next custom bonus. So this custom bonus it's gonna teach you guys how to make effective copywriting. So it's gonna teach you how to like write words that sell your services or products online. So scrolling down to my next bonus, which is Bing ads. So this is also another course that's gonna teach you guys how to create Bing ads. I know everyone is like into like Google ads, but it's not as Bing ads aren't as popular as Google ads. But you can also make a ton of money off Bing ads, and this course here is just gonna teach you how to effectively use Bing ads, so you can make money on Bing ads as well. So scrolling down to my final bonus. This is a stealth. So what this is basically another course on how to make money on Gmail. I know you guys are surprised. Gmail, there's ads on Gmails too. So basically, it's another course. It's going to teach you how to make money on Gmail as well. So scrolling down here, so this is all the vendor bonuses I have for you guys, all for free again. So if you guys are interested in also grabbing my custom bonus, just click the link down below and you should be able to like access all these custom bonuses. Alright guys, so right now I'm just gonna take you guys through the dashboard for the short software. So this is the dashboard for the short software. This is where you enter a video URL that you wanna create. If you found a video, just enter the URL into here. The video is gonna come up, and all you gotta do is create the video through here. So going on to here, this right here is where you click to like download the video, like I was saying before. And this link here is where you can go to like edit the video. So if you have a bunch of videos that you wanna attach together, this is where you go to like edit the video. And right here is where you go to see all your video list. So all the videos that you have created will be in here. And yeah, so it's like I said before, it's a pretty easy software to learn. It's newbie friendly, super quick to like navigate and learn. No complicated, nothing complicated in here. It's pretty easy to like navigate and stuff. So yeah, so this is the software. Once you purchase this, you should be able to create videos pretty quick. Okay guys, so this is the sales page for Shortify. Feel free to like go through the video this video here. This is just an introduction video. It's gonna teach you guys a bit more about what the software is and how to use it and why this software will be useful for you guys. So scrolling down here, this is where you go to get instant access to the software. Scrolling down here, these are just some of the results people are getting from using Shortify. So just some of the review. So feel free to go through this sales page so you can learn more a bit more about the software and stuff. So yeah, feel free to go through the sales page. They have lots of information about what this software is all about. Okay. So yet again, guys, thank you so much for watching another video of mine. So like I said before, if you wanna receive all these bonuses, click the link below and you should be able to get instant access to um, my bonuses and Shortify itself. So basically all these bonuses are included when you click the link below. So thank you for watching my review of Shortify, and feel free to leave a like on my video and subscribe as well. So see you on the next one.